Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Please, disclaimer, don't mind the noise. I don't know what's happening outside and it's at night, so don't ask. Focus your eyes on our beautiful model here. She is so beautiful and this look turned out so amazing. If you want to know how I did it, please follow through. So the first thing I started with was priming the face, and I primed the face with Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, and I used a wet beauty blender or a sponge, whichever you have, and I just dabbed this into the face very lightly, very gently, and make sure everything sank in and was absorbed. Gosh, my client is such fun. So I did her eyebrows with the Davis eye pencil in shade number 3, and that's what I mapped her eyebrows with, because that's really a good shade for most people. It really maps out well and it's good, it's cheap, it's affordable, does the job. Then I went on and filled it in with some eyeshadow, and I was playing between black and brown eyeshadow, and I was just using those colors to fill in the brow hairs lightly also. Don't mind us talking, we'll see our mouths moving. Just know we're having a good time, guys. We talked, we laughed, we enjoyed talking just about makeup and stuff. It was just a cool moment. She was a cool client. It was just fun doing her makeup. She was very cooperative, by the way, guys. The best. So afterwards, I now brush out the eyebrows to make sure they blend. And when you're doing your eyebrows, you never want to go straight in from the beginning. At least start halfway through the eye, then to the tail area, but don't start from the very first position of your eyebrow. You want to give it a faded effect. And for concealing below, I used 2 shades lighter to conceal her eyebrows, and for the top part I used foundation so that it matches her skin perfectly and it doesn't look out of place. And you know, you also need to be like neat. Eyebrows are the first thing someone sees. Eyebrows are what make the look. Eyebrows hold the whole look. So guys, when you're doing your eyebrows, make sure they're on point. Make sure you get them right. And you know, it's normal. Sometimes you may conceal the top part and some product might disappear. Please don't leave it like that. Just perfect it. Add in where it needs to be added, correct it. Make sure the eyebrows look pang, guys. Make sure they look good. Okay? Don't give up. You know what you want. Go for it until you get it. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to prime with Fawn. Oh god. I think I'm saying get it. Guys, practice makes perfect. So when you practice your art, you get better at it. Anyway, so I'm here blending out the eye so that I can put eyeshadow there. And I also had excess, so I decided why not highlight before foundation, you know, so that we don't waste product. I put in the center tip to make sure that I get this as even and as cute as possible. This look is supposed to be a sunset vibe, which I think I nailed. Guys, comment down below. I think I really nailed this look. If you like it, let me know. If you're not a person for color, I understand you, but if you respect the art, please comment down below. So since it's a sunset vibe, my main colors that I was going for was yellow, orange, and brown. The first top shades that you see in my palette, and it's the Julius palette that I'm using. So I just blend that in nicely, and I keep switching brushes. When I'm at the top, I use a thin brush. When I'm in the middle, I use a blending brush that is very tiny. When I'm in the crease region, which is now lower down below near the eyelashes, I use another brush. Brush. Guys, what's not happening? The video is too long. No, it's not. Guys, we're cutting the crease. So I use Revolution London to cut my crease, and and it's so good because it's white and it gives such a good background for the next colors I put in, and it also cuts very cleanly, so that's why I really love it, and that's why I use it to cut my creases. You can also use your concealer if you have fond, the one used on the eyebrow, you can use that as well. So I went in and added white, light brown, then orange into that crease region. Then I did the liner. So be very careful when it comes to things like liner. Our client here, or let's say our model, has hooded eyes, and for hooded eyes you would not want someone to open the eyes, or once you've done the liner for them to start opening the eyes. I gave it a minute to dry before I went on adding other stuff. So this is the far part. This is where you add glitter. So this look is just simple, but when you add the glitter, oh my god, it turns into such a glam look. So I don't know if you guys will see the glitter, but it was so cute. In person, oh my god, you will melt. So just tap in the glitter. You can use your fingers. When it comes to glitter, your fingers are usually the best friend or the best tool. Or this brush, the brushes for kitambo for eyeshadow, the ones that have like a sponge, oh my god, the best brush for adding glitter without getting dirty. Then I just removed the sellotape because that would was keeping everything neat and equalized and everything. So once I'm done with the eyes, I started in with the foundation, and I got a perfect match, guys. So whenever you do your foundation, make sure you get the perfect shade, guys. It will save you a lot of trouble. And blend. When I say blend, blend. Okay, guys, blend until it is seamless. Sour, make sure you blend all the corners, guys. You don't want your client to have bumps and whatever's on her face. You want everything to be smooth. For concealer, I apply concealer with a brush and then blend it out with a beauty blender. I feel like this gives you the best accuracy when it comes to placing the concealer, and then by the time you finished drawing the concealer areas, it's already become a little bit, dry and doesn't move so much. So when you blend it, it blends perfectly, but you have to be quick and you have to know which kind of concealer you're using. If you're using the LA Girl, it actually dries down quite fast, so you need to work fast. So for me, I would rather you blend as you go, unless you know you're going to be quick about it. And when you're doing your concealer, this is the time to correct all the mistakes of the liners and all that stuff. Make sure you correct them so that when you blend everything out, you don't need to go back again. You're done with that area. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend, blend. Blend, blend. I think I'm going to make a song for that, guys. Just blend. You see, my model is even approving me. That foundation and that highlight, it was on point. the person remains with mainly their shade. I don't know if you guys are understanding that point, but I hope you did. And lastly, I will now set the whole face, like completely blend out everything to make sure everything is smooth. I'll use the illegal translucent powder, and this powder is just everything. It's the best thing that I ever got in 2020. So for bronzer, I'm using the Fenty Mokamami bronzer. Man, this bronzer is just it. It's the one. I use it all the time. I even used it that day. I'm using it on my clients. Oh my gosh, I'm telling you, this bronzer is life. Rihanna, you did it. You did that. I can't wait to afford so many other stuff in your brand, but you do not disappoint, guys. This thing is so worth every coin that it costs. I've been using it since last year and it's still lots of products. So guys, it's so worth it. And for the nose, I went in with the other palette because the Mokamami bronzer, it kind of had a reddish undertone to it. So it's not advised to use it on the nose. It will kind of look funny. So I went for another shade for the nose to contour the nose, because the nose, you don't want that contour to just be like contour. You don't want it to scream contour. You just want it to be so naturally contoured. So guys, when you're doing your nose, don't use the same shade of contour you use on the cheeks. Use a shade a little bit lighter than that. Once I was done with all this, I went ahead and set the face, and let me tell you, I bless you with setting spray. I will bless you. I want everything to sink in and become one, and setting spray does that. Setting spray is just the best. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. Look at that melt. And the eyes. Oh my gosh. By the way, I got the inspiration from the top, so your girl is very hands-on when it comes to like coordinating the colors according to your outfits. It's my thing, guys. It is my thing. So I went ahead and highlighted lastly, and I was using the Huda eyeshadow palette. She brought such amazing shades in that palette, especially for highlighting for dark girls. Oh my god, it's just such a game changer. So that's what I use, and I don't highlight as much. I don't feel the skin usually needs that much of a highlight if you're doing a matte to semi glowy kind of look. So I just did the bare minimal, but it was enough, and I finished the whole look, and I wrapped it up with just these highlights around the forehead a little bit, the nose area, the cupid's bow, the chin, the cheeks, just a little to give life and glow into the skin, because we've gone in with a few powders, so the skin is asking for hydration. We did help it out with the setting spray, but we won't mind adding that highlighter, but not too much, guys. For the lips, I lined it first with a Davis eye pencil in number 3, and then I do some lipstick within that shade, and I add a nude lipstick, and we blend. Guys, it's all about blending. Makeup is all about blending. If there's one thing you take from me today, is blending and accuracy. Try to be as neat as possible. Blend everything out. Guys, you're good to go. Trust me, you're good to go.
While I'm this small.
Guys, look at how flawless my skin is looking. I just had to point that out, man. Imagine I was able to wake up and do my own makeup before going to do somebody else's makeup. That is usually a struggle. A struggle, let me tell you guys. But I did it. So this look, I wanted to put gloss on it, but due to Corona, you guys just know that, we can't be doing gloss right now and wearing masks at the same time. So we ended up settling for a matte look because she was going to step out of the house as well. So yeah, my eyeshadow was popping. I added some blue below just to give it that pop and match her top. And again, I set the face again. Guys, setting spray works. It works. It really works, guys. Just look at that. The look is so beautiful. So that's it from me today. Thank you for watching. If you reached this far, please subscribe, comment, like, share. See you in my next one. Thank you, thank you, thank you so guys. I really love you guys. Thank you so much and bye.